Making spicy pickled garlic is easy, but most of the time people cannot make the garlic right. In here, I've included a technique to make it delicious. Here are the ingredients: 6 garlic bolts, 250 grams of bird's-eye chilies, 1 whole lime, and here's the list. Use less chilies if you don't want it spicy, and use lemons instead if limes are too expensive in your area. First, just remove garlic skin, but make sure that you keep the glows as well. Then slice them into layers, not too thin or too thick. Take off chili stalks. Then boil them for at least 15 minutes. Doing this will make it easy for you to mince or blend them. If you want it less spicy, you can boil the chilies for much longer, probably 30 minutes. Then with that warm water, put your garlic slices in, keep them there for about 3 minutes. Drain them afterward. And immediately soak them in ice water in order to make them crunchy. Mince the boiled chili, or you can use a blender to blend them all. I don't have a small blender for this, so I chose to mince them. Either is fine. Mix the slices of garlic and chilies together, then start seasoning it. Six tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of seasoning powder, then lime juice from 1 whole lime. Some people will use vinegar, but I don't like using vinegar at all in my food. You are welcome to use it. Mix it well again. Then you can put this in your jar. It can last for months if refrigerated. I hope you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.